Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to learn how to add tables in Canva. It's quite simple, so you must first of all to create a design. By now it's going to be a duck. And to your left you're going to find this menu, so go into elements and there you're going to find the tables. Okay, so if I click on see all, for instance I want to add this one. So you can write here whatever you want, wherever you need. And in that way you have your table. If you want to add a column or a row, you must select one of these squares, whatever you want, and click on the three dots to add a column. So it depends where you are in that moment. So this is going to create a column. You can delete it too if you need it, or in the three dots and add a row, or also if you want to delete a row. Okay, that's quite simple. You can switch the color of it, so there is a gradient, but you can select another gradient if you need, or just a simple color if you need it. Okay, and that's it. So that's how you can add tables in your Canva.